Hi, I'm Vince and welcome to Vince Tech Reviews. Today, I'll show you how to set a video background for incoming calls on your Galaxy S25 to give your call screen a more personalized and dynamic look. To get started, tap the home key to return to the home screen. Then open the phone app. At the top right, tap the More icon and select Settings from the drop-down menu. On the Call Settings page, tap Call Background, then tap Background. Here, you'll see preset videos that you can apply as your call background. You can tap on any video to preview it. If you'd like to turn the video sound on or off, just toggle the Use Video Sound as Ringtone option. Once you're happy with your selection, tap Set as Call Background. If you want to use your own video, tap Background again, then tap Video from the Gallery section. Pick a video from your gallery, and then tap the Cut icon to trim and choose the part of the video you want to use. After trimming, tap Done, and finally tap Set as Call Background to apply it. That's all it takes to personalize your call screen with a video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome Galaxy S25 Ultra tips. Thanks for watching.